That's one way to start a bike ride. Woo.
What's up, everyone? Forrest here with a new episode of the FoCo Flow Show. Borrowing my buddy's GoPro Hero 7 Black and took it on a work trip and brought the bike to East Tennessee. So got a couple of different locations that we get to ride at over the last 3 days. Got to get into some interesting places in Johnson City and Oliver Springs and the surrounding Knoxville area. A lot of great stuff out there. So tune in. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and let's see if we can find some flow. First stop on our trip was just down I-81 into Tennessee. Quick shot down 26 to Johnson City to Tannery Knob Bike Park, which is a perfect location right in downtown Johnson City near ETSU, Eastern Tennessee State University. It's purpose-built. It's got a paved pump track up at the top of a small little elevation in the city overlooking the mountains and the rest of Johnson City. Beautiful view at the top. Not a ton of miles here. The day that we rode there, it was super dry and dusty, but they've got a couple of really cool flow trails, a couple black trails. So we're going to get going here on the pump track that you see, and then the first drop into a trail called Cumberland Bratz. It's pretty rowdy to get up and around to the top where there's a couple of downhill flow trails. Let's go check it out.
That's a drop. All right, here we go. All right. That's one way to start a bike ride. Woo. Little rock drop. Ooh. Ooh, loose. Loose as a goose. Slow. So the joke about Tannery Bike Park is they have a trail called chairlift. This is the climb trail called chairlift. Let the record show there is no chairlift. You just climb. Mercifully, it's hard packed. A couple of switchbacks. Maybe takes 10-15 minutes. Everything is so hard packed and tight and twisty that you don't have to go far to get back to the top. Then you get 15 to 30 second runs, either halfway down or all the way down to the bottom of chairlift. Whew. To get back to the trailhead and a Black Diamond trail and an XC trail, you gotta take the green trail back down from the top here. So here we are, climbing back up, end of trail, easiest most difficult. And I think this is the knob, the famous, world-renowned Tannery knob with this handy-dandy little sheet here. All right, see where we're going. All right, we're gonna give a shot to baby Flow to the left over here. I think we got it. All right, bike only, blue trail. See what we got. See some berms. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Woo! Ha-ha! All right, gotta float better. All right, and back up. So this last trail is actually called Cumberland Bratz. It's a Black Diamond downhill trail that flows from the trail peak there that you saw me get to via the chairlift climb. Flows through. It was super rocky, super loose, some jumps there. Again, riding blind in those loose conditions was hard to link the flow together and link the jumps in one continuous run, but it was a lot of fun. The whole park was really well built. I guess my only knock on the entire place was that there just wasn't that many miles there. There was only so much to work with, so you ended up doubling back on things quite a bit. But super awesome to have right in downtown in Johnson City like that. It was a lot of fun. Really glad I got a chance to check it out. So you'll see my relive video coming up here in just a second. Check that out, and then we'll move on to what we got in store over at Windrock on day 2. Get that video for you guys up soon, but in the meantime, get out there and go find that flow.